Today I'm going to share my top 6 beauty products, beauty/skincare products that I've been using and absolutely loving. So since a lot of you keep asking me कि मैं कौन से product use करती हूँ in makeup also and in skincare also, I'll be sharing a few of both of them. Okay, so let's begin with skincare because that is highly requested. Like सबसे ज़्यादा request मुझे उन्हीं चीज़ों की आती है skincare की. So the first product I have is the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. Guys, I cannot emphasize enough on how much I love this product because firstly it has vitamin E in it and secondly it hydrates the skin perfectly. इतना अच्छे से आपकी स्किन को हाइड्रेट कर देता है and all the ingredients that it has are very safe for the skin and it's also very good for sensitive skin because मेरी खुद की sensitive skin है. So most of the products that I have are very good for even combination skin or sensitive skin. This one I use a lot and I absolutely love it. 10 on 10 recommended. The next product that I have is lip mask and you have probably seen me talking about this all the time. It is the Laneige lip sleeping mask and this is in the berry flavor and the other one I have in this chapstick wala form which is in the peach flavor. So I have both these variants of the same product and this is the best lip balm, lip mask, whatever you want to call it, to use. And अगर आपके जितने भी chapped lips हो, मतलब कितने भी chapped lips हो, this would definitely help you and I love this. I just keep repurchasing this again and again because it's amazing. The next product that I have to share is this Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser and again it's great for sensitive skin and a cleanser. Okay, so why a cleanser is very important in your skincare is because even after you remove your makeup कितने भी अच्छे से there's always some dirt or makeup जो आपके pores में फंसा रह जाता है and that is what causes acne as well. So it's very important to cleanse your face thoroughly so that your face is free of any dirt, any makeup. So this is a great product for the same. I always make sure after I remove my makeup, I cleanse my face with the Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser. Since it is specially curated for sensitive skin conditions, it never leaves any kind of redness on my face, कुछ भी नहीं रहता and बहुत अच्छे से clean हो जाता है मेरा face. So I love this. मैं हर product के बाद I love this बोलूँगी because ये video ही वही है. My top 6, so don't mind. Okay, so now coming to the makeup category, these 3 products were in the skincare category. Now coming to the makeup one. So the first product that I have is this Bobbi Brown mascara. This is in the mini इनका packaging. I cannot tell you ये magic है. मतलब इसकी wand is not very unusual. It's like the normal wand, but I don't know. It really volumizes your eyelashes in such a good way, and it looks very natural. And in one coat only you will see the difference आपकी eyelashes में कितना फर्क आ जाता है. So I have been using this since a while now, and I absolutely love it. Next product that I have is for people who have a very oily skin just like me and tend to get natural oil mines on your face after an hour or so after you apply your makeup. This is for you. I have the blotting sheets and ये किसी कंपनी की आप किसी भी कंपनी की ले सकते हो. वैसे कोई स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं है because all the blotting sheets have like one job to do, so you can buy any company से. I got this one from Miniso and this contains 70 pieces of blotting sheets. Whenever you use it थोड़ा सा makeup निकलता है definitely, but it leaves such a matte finish on your face कि बिल्कुल oily जो भी लग रहा होता है हट जाता है. And मेरे face में क्या है, I tend to get oily on my T-zone बहुत ज़्यादा and a bit here on my cheeks, so it mattifies my skin within seconds and I love this. ये हमेशा मेरे बैग में होता ही होता है, so it can also become what's in my bag. So guys, that was it for my top 6 skincare/beauty items and I swear by each of these products and I actually use them every single day. So 10 on 10 recommend all of these. If you tend to try any of these, don't forget to tag me in your stories and let me know आप लोगों को कैसा लगा ये use करके. And also let me know if I should continue this series like top 6, top 5 or ऐसा कुछ on my reels or on my IGTV. I would love to do that for you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.